More than 1 million people. That is it, that is it, that is it. We're there. Look good. So with the right. Outside, outside. Massive people like, whoa, look at this. This is super beautiful. Beautiful. It's my first experience. So to capture this, it is breathtaking to see. So many persons come out. That is it. That is it. We're outside. So much persons come out in unison to capture this extraordinary moment. I'm telling you, it is beautiful. And that vibe. Yeah, outside. Fit to fit. 1K still going, 2K still dancing. I'm on thing.
Let me tell you, there's like about 1 million people here. It's all about the Sagicor Sigma Run 2026. Massive. I'm not sure if I'm getting the drone shots, but I'm telling you, there's more than 1 million people. Center camera going back. So we're at the starting line, Massive, and trust me, oh my God, me lost the words. Remember me tell you. So the soldier them, which is the JDF soldier them, and them start off ball. Yo, hold on then, man. Who this?
What Noel?
I don't know outside.
Yo, Noel. We are even the boss. Yo, we just don't call it, you know.
Who they are, man, you know?
Noel, I tell you the truth, I'm going to take up myself, but I'm going down there, so.
Yeah.
We try to reach on the worst thing.
I saw the thing.
Brother, you have to fight to get back to it. The Massive, I don't know. Yo, Noel, Sigma Run, man, they are from early. I'm going to see who next. See the thing officially. I go on and now a mad thing. And then I run to this direction. You have some skateboarders.
Watch the patrol left.
Watch the patrol left. Patrol.
Watch the patrol left.
Yeah, Massive. So this is the starting. So if you're just joining, I want to say thank you so much for joining. You understand? Heart of love to everybody. Massive, this is like one of the biggest things where they block off the entire new Kingston. And we're going to have 1 million people run today. You have even the wheelchair persons, them who is taking part in this event this year too as well. Look good. Oh my word. Oh my word. Go show Bome. Outside. That is it. Yeah. So Massive, let them let you all of the persons them first. So the JDF started off, then we have the skateboarders, then we have the disabled people them, and then now it's about to go down. So Massive is not a narrating video. We are going to just walk through the entire thing authentically. You see me I say? And all a vibe and show the exact happening today for Sigma Run 2026. A mad thing. Massive. Let me tell you, there's 1 million people, or about 2 million people there, and a joke thing. It's gonna be epic. So we're gonna start run from Knoxwood Boulevard. We're gonna go all the way around New Kingston, half a tree and get right back around. You see me I say? So everybody getting ready, let's do this. The trucks man then gone off fast. I hit this now, you know. Oh no. This is it now, you know. I'm going to tell us you 1 million people. Crazy, 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 crazy. Outside, outside, outside. So massive, the race is on, it has begun. People are trying more to get to the front of the line. You understand, you know, longevity people, them ready. I am actually here to walk, so you don't know a Jamaica walk by, so it's all about walking. Massive, the crowd start getting lit. Are you ready? Let's do this. If you're there for your couch right now, I watch anywhere you're there, watch. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sigma Run 2026. You see me? All courtesy of Sagicor Group. A mad thing. Active. Active. Where's the way? Out the road. Yeah, bro, G. A mad. Let's go. So, massive, me soon join in. Let me see if we can go right now. Make it so. Look, 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 look. Are you ready? Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Ready, 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 ready. More than 1 million people. That is it, that is it, that is it. We're there. Look good. So we're there right. Outside, outside. Massive people like, whoa, look at this. This is super beautiful. Beautiful. It's my first experience, so to capture this, it is breathtaking to see. So many persons come out. That is it. That is it. We're outside. So much persons come out in unison to capture this extraordinary moment. I'm telling you, it is beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That is it. How you mean? Let's go. Hey, how are you? Thank you. That is it. Come to, come to. Heart of love, heart of love. That is it. Woo! Sagicor Sigma Run 2026. Active, live, live in color. I tell us you more than 1 million people mad outside.
Jamaica walk by.
One Jamaica walk by. That is it. Look good, look good, look good, look good. Represent, rep. That is it. Rep, 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 rep. 1 million. Woo! 1 million of people. So massive, sit back. Get ready, we're doing it big. Look at that. So massive, I'll be capturing the entire thing. I'm just gonna be walking right through the crowd, just like you're here, all right? Not really narrate with anything at all. We're just gonna be one Jamaica walk by the teacher. Respect and manners, hear that?
Remember say we pick up on the hike, you know.
All right. So tell them, no man.
Never link, you know where you say.
Bless up my teacher, man. So I'm gonna try my best to narrate just video. You see me? Morning, morning. So it's gonna be a long walk, probably be a long day. Good day, good day, good day. And no people can't do it. Look them man. People like, whoa. All right, massive. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna start the walking journey with all that people them right about. That is it. I love me, G. Respect. That is it. Are you ready? Blessed, blessed. That is it, my teacher. That is it, Pastor.
One walk back.
That is it. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Outside with it. What a vibe, what a energy. I where so much people forward from. I want a Jamaica there. It look like I want a Jamaica, man. Look what the miles of people back there. So. It's not going done. A miles worth. That is it. Woo! A miles worth of people massive. No joke. So you know, so from me turn on my camera and all, like, are you ready? So let's go. Let's do this. A mad thing, man. Watch it, more than 1 million people. I know we're not done. Morning. Today, people like, whoa. Let's go.
So, start walk. Let's do this.
Whole crew. What I represent? What I represent?
Trans Jam.
That is it, Trans Jam.
Yeah.
That is it. Art alone. Yeah, they're good. So massive, look good. This is going to be epic. Anyone who watch from now, please may I ask you if you like the video. We are now starting from Knoxwood Boulevard in New Kingston, and look, miles and miles. Where's my teacher? About 3 million people so far. It look like about 3 million. I whole of Jamaica there. Believe you me, I whole of Jamaica there. Sagicor Sigma Run 2026. Epic adventure. Let's go. They don't know people all out in them gym, wear everything. Them well ready. Whole heap of fit ladies outside. But you and we walk. So many of you is going to ask the time. Let me tell you the time right now that it just started. So it is now 7:45. So it actually started about 7:30. You see me I say? So we are fast walk. So start on time, approximately 7:30. Now it's 7:45 in the morning and it's a Sunday. Yeah, let's do this. So massive, me just capture the happenings, you hear that? So big up to Sagicor for putting on this event and the happenings you capture. Everything.
Take it serious. You are not the person that should be running with.
So if you're into fitness, yeah, do your thing this. But when me tell you say, massive them come out. So for high quality, just put it on 4K. You understand? This video is shooting in 4K quality for your TV. So we have some steel drums over here. Everything we'll check out. Let's go, let's see what go on here now. Jump here ready? Culture to us. Let's move on. Entertainment, we are doing. Let's go. Oh, the other day for one day. Let's go. So one of the best things for you now watching this video is to just put on your gym wear, man. Jump on your treadmill and start it, man. And you can be a part of it. So in case you miss it, I still your time. You understand? Let's go. I wonder how long I'm going to take to walk this. Don't want to walk too fast, so a slow walk. You see me? We promote responsible, see that, financing. Yeah. So you have Holborn Road this up. You understand? Yeah. No joke. Let's go. So for everybody who is asking, if you don't know, we are currently on Trafalgar Road right now. I just catch that on camera.
Oh my! You got to run that before you run. You have to like the
So we're currently on Trafalgar Road, moving towards Trafalgar and Hope Road. See it? Yeah. If you watch this far, please may I ask if you like this video. I think this video deserves a like for everybody who is here. Yeah, man. I think. Let's go. Careful. Also, I want to say big up to all the sponsors them who make this event possible. You understand? As you can judge by the shirts them. You have the tax administration Jamaica here, just forward center camera. We have another shirt over here, so just scan me, let's see who they are representing. JA Customs, big up to JA Customs. I see a shirt over there, I say CB, don't know. CB in the house. I see Scotia Bank shirt over there. You see one just running past me now, can't make out this one here. I see on this shirt over here, let's see, Sunshine. No, it's not Sunshine. Oh, it's Sunlight. Big up to Sunlight. Also, Archive in the crowd too. You can see the Archive shirts. Big up to the Archive massive. Who else we have here? Also, Lasco. Everybody representing for Lasco. See a Lasco brand here. Big up yourself, respect. So big up to all our sponsors, them in the crowd. Yeah. So we are now on Trafalgar and Hope Road, and we are going right across. Now we are going right across to Waterloo. Right? So we are now on Waterloo, just cross over Hope Road, and we're moving. Alright, so we have, oh, this is the shot put. That is it, look good. Stigma Corporation here. You got, so this is the Sagicor 1K, so if you reach this far, you walk 1K, right? So congratulations to all the people them who do 1K, a mad thing. That is it, 1K and moving on. Let's go. It's more Lasco representative as well. Team Sagicor right there so as well. And we have the Land Survey Association of Jamaica. Big up to all the sponsors here. Avis is outside too as well. A mad thing. Let's go. I see Team Windalco over there too as well. So far it seems like every company. CBIC also in the crowd. So we are now on Waterloo. Yeah. Let's do this. We have Run West. So all of these people, you know, pass 1K and moving on. You have some people still are forward strong. Strong. A mad thing, let's go. Oh, look who we have here. Sagicor again. I see over there, big up to the sponsors, Digicel. Speed without limits. That them say? Right, let's do this. So right now we just past Devon House. Just to give you a little bit of information because it's a long walk. So when we get silent, we silent, you know. Let's go. Please, this video deserves 20,000 likes. Let's go. Loads of beautiful people. Please like the video. Like the video, like the video. We're moving. These ladies are representing the G Gatorade. Yeah. I represent Gatorade. Yeah, man. So we're still on Waterloo Road, going strong. Honestly, I'm not sure how much minutes or hours this walk will be. So let me see how much people are going to stay to the end. Remember, if you hear me now, just say, I watch to the end, or to the end. I mean, no, say no watch to the end. We have Optimum also. Ladies representing for Optimum. Smooth, it's a beautiful day. Right, go through. Right now, fast walk. So a lot of persons, they don't know, if you're tired, you walk, you know what I mean? Alright, Massive, you know, so we reach up to some music, you know. Let's see what we're going. Look out, look out! My bunk said, okay? Some music a bit, make a little go through. Gatorade, that is it. So I say, where I move to? Where I move to? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's do this. I don't know how I'm going to find my little sister. Big up to my sister, Tian. Tian is here. Woo! Feel good. Feel good, it feel good. When I don't know my walk for a living, so I love this. Great to see people in my shoes. For at least a day, not chow. Alright, let's see what is over here. It's like a pit stop. I'm not sure how it's set up. So right here, so now, ooh. So this is, alright, pit stop, so Gatorade giving out right here. So big up to Gatorade, seems like they are a sponsor and they have Gatorade giving out. Oh, even the dog, I take a sip. That is it. Dog getting some electrolyte. Gatorade. Let's see what I'm going. See there? This is the Gatorade station. Giving out Gatorade. Mad thing. Come on people, let's go. Mad thing, let's go. Jesus, a station a clear out already. One station done, catching peak, burn off. We're going through. Yeah, big up me G them. Yeah. Water, keep hydrated. Yeah. Water, 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 water. That is it. If you want water, you get water. All free. Big up my teacher. Yeah, man. So you have to be hydrated. I must say big up to the sponsors, them straight. Yeah, so somebody have to some music, so let me move through this. You know what I mean? I move fast, I'm mad thing. Five. Let's go. So we're still on Waterloo and we're heading up to Waterloo and West King's House Road. So let me repeat, we're heading onto, so we are now on Waterloo heading towards Waterloo and West King's House Road. So if you know this section, the Canadian Embassy is on my right. And millions of people, man. Also big up to Fontana Pharmacy every single time. Fontana Pharmacy is the first place that gives Jamaica Walk by a Run to come and view inside of their property and showcase what the business is all about. Them times the Jamaica Walk by just a start. I don't think we had 5,000 subscribers. So big up to Fontana Pharmacy. This one and the brand manager and everybody. When we contact them and say we are Jamaica Walk by, wanted to do some tours and to showcase what's going on in Jamaica, they didn't hesitate. They allowed me and give me permission to come in and do a walkthrough of Fontana Pharmacy and also gave me a nice gift at the end of the tour. So big up to the manager at the time. I don't remember her name. So thank you so much for that. That was one of them motivational steps though. We say, yo, we are gonna go far. And now we are up 300,000 plus subscribers. See, that's why we have to believe in our youth. So anyway, the lady there, if you watch this or you hear this, she was the manager at Fontana Pharmacy. I'm not sure if she's still the manager there, but big up every time. You hear that? No joke. So we're going. Oh, everybody outside. Remember, like the video if you just start. Sagicor Sigma Run 2026. Let's go. Yeah. The cleaner choice there. Don't know. Caribbean boilers there. Big up to all our sponsors, them, you see me? Yeah, man. You know, so me just read and be like, what? I really that's a foul play? What a big marketing strategy. Real foul play, youth. That is it. All right, Massive, we're moving. So we're up on West Kings House Road. And we're heading to Constant Spring Road. So this is, we're heading from West Kings House Road onto Constant Spring Road. And there seems to be a party down there. Let's keep going, man. If Carnival never so big, trouble. This is probably the biggest event keeping at Kingston, Sagicor Sigma Run, because it's for everybody. Kids, everybody. Even disabled. Let's go. Whoa. So we're heading onto Constant Spring Road now. Digicel seems to be having a party right here, so Digicel have a party. Hey. So the time is, let me get the time. It's now 10 minutes after 8. That's at the Digicel Park. Hey, that is it. That is it. Digicel. Digicel outside. Hey. So we're on Constant Spring Road now. Off West Kings House Road, heading onto Constant Spring Road, and the crowd here is vibing. And that vibe, yeah, outside, fit your fit. 1K still going, 2K still dancing, a mad thing. That is it. And which company representing for?
Sagicor.
Sagicor, that is it. You want to shout out your Instagram?
No.
So massive, since you not ask me, you don't know, say, and she said no, so that there you go. She don't want to find her. That is it. Big up here, Heart of Love. Representing for Sagicor, one of the vibrant ladies so far, a mad thing. After 1K, she's still dancing. She not normal. Can't tell the girls some day in the gym, not true. Figure that. Let's do this. So we're now on Constant Spring Road. Team Sagicor. Let's go. There's so much people. I can't even tell if I'm in the middle. I can't tell if I'm at the near to the center.
We are going to
Jeez and peace. Me there everywhere. All of Jamaica feel it. And you will say what you doing here? Big up my teacher. I'm my team, man. Let's go. Yeah. Rebuilding Jamaica together, you understand? Big up to Chronics, you know what I mean? Whole heap of music I play in different areas. So let's go, let's go. It's a vibe. A mad thing, not you? Let's go. Sagicor Sigma Run 2026, let's go. Team KFC, big up to the sponsors them. So we just passed the lot. This is the lot right there. Over the lot there are Plantation Smokers, Morris, Sharkies, lots more. Let's go. Them outside. Yeah, massive, let's go. Heading into Alpha Tree now. Oh, me not get no wave. Oh, me not get no wave. That is it. Let's go. So you don't know, big up my General Artwell. You know what I mean? So this here is Lane Plaza or Village Plaza, Constant Spring Road. So Artwell is right up there. So you understand? Right beside Moda Home Goods. Can't miss it. Just go upstairs right beside Moda Home Goods and you will find Artwell, #1 jeweler in Jamaica. Notice me say jeweler. Yeah, no joke. Let's go. Loads and skirt, a celebrity session. You big up on yourself.
Big up yourself.
That is it. Easy. I like TikTokers them out too as well.
How are you doing this?
go. What do we have here so now? It's like one foam cooling down station. So right here, so 3K. What? So if you reach this far, you walk 3K. That is it. Good, good. Big up to everybody who do 3K. Oh. Big up to everybody who do 3K. Mad thing. So this is the foam telling me about not going through any foam. I don't know me have camera. Foam. A mad thing. This is beautiful. Coolings. Watch this. She a be tonight. Oh God. She a be tonight. A bad thing. What a vibe out here. Yo. A bad thing out there, man. Look what I'm going. Lord Jesus. Oh, let's go. Let's do this. Fast walk. Morning, that is it. go. You hear that instructions now? Let's go. What a vibe. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Marching. Up there, I know. Let's do this. Sweet. So we came off Constant Spring Road and now we are on Hope Road. So we're on Hope Road going up. A mad thing. What a vibe.
Dominic! What's up? Dominic! There's an ear, my name.
Let's go.
You don't want nothing, man. Hey, it's if it's 2026.
Yeah.
Listen to this. All tickets call me.
Call you. Man. So yeah, massive, we're moving. Man, say all tickets, call him. So we're now heading on Winchester Road. Off Hope Road onto Winchester Road. That's where we are right now. Let's go. Oi, oi. We're moving. $4K. $4K. That is it. You're watching thus far, my mirror is a 4K now. Let's go. Let's do this massive. Let's go, let's go. Jano, let's do this, let's do this. Worry, Channel. Oh my word. Worry, Channel. Let's go, let's go. Let's do this massive. It's crazy. So many people. It's a great walk. It's a 4K. Let's go. We're not done yet. Couple more K to go. Whew. Massive, we're doing the entire thing, we're not gonna play. And I'm a fast pace to my walk here. go, Massive, let's go. Body outside, brother. Let's do this. Let's do this. So what I realize, a lot of the corners they may have some music box. I played some music. You see?
Why don't you stay?
One heap of music box. Let's do this. Woo. Let's do this. Sorry. Let's go. I said, man, I go around here and I whole heap of walk, you know. I want a whole heap of walk. Let's go. $5K? $5K? All the people that will make it to 5K. Mad. 5K. That is it, Jamaica walk by. Big up every time the teacher, man. Everything good? Ah, I love, man. I do it. Which channel is? What name? Jamaica Trada. Yeah. That is it. Big up Jamaica Trada. I'm out here trad. A mad thing, man. I see a word, you hear that? Ah, I love my teacher. You hear that? No joke. Oh, careful, mommy. Some gospel out here, so I sing too. Let's go. Mad thing, man. I play some music. Can't work with it today. Come over fast, you understand? Right through. Sweet piece of work. Fast work. Some people start done already. Almost there, massive. Let's go through. Woo. Full video. That is it. Big up Jamaica walk by, hear that? A mad thing. I'm not ram to go in a video like that. Let's go. Think we are play. We not play. Let's go, man. Let's do this. And the finish line is up ahead. The finish line is just up ahead. Oi, oi. Oh yes, we're going. Woo! Feel like I could have go again. Massive, all of us are doing. Keep moving. Keep moving. Finish line, that is it. Mad thing. A mad thing. Finish line, that is it. Woo. Finish line. Finish line. Did it, did it. Did it. Them did it. Finish line. Yeah, bro, G, did it. Did it. Did it. Oh yes, massive. Did it. What a vibe, what a energy. You know what I mean? It was awesome. You understand? It was awesome. And we did it. All of us did it together. all of us did it together. You understand? So massive, we are at the end of Sigma Run 2026. And it was an epic experience for me. So right now, I see over by the Emancipation Park look lit, like they're going to have a party. I want to say massive, when I reach to the end, thank you so much for joining. You know what I mean? Heart of love to everybody. You understand? If you love the initiative, you don't know, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And if you're not new here and you're just a watch, please like the video. Drop some comment in our comment section. What was your biggest highlight of the day? Share it in our comment section. You see me? Share it in our comment section. What was your biggest highlight of the day? Let's hear it. So we're going over by the park. Let's see what's happening over there. Oh, you have a mist blower right here. Cool you down. And let's get past this. BF5. Some beautiful machine too. Let's go. Where you going? Let's squeeze through. I want to see what is going on over here, so let's go. Hi, good. What time now? Good morning. It's now 9 o'clock. Morning. Thank you for watching the channel here. That is it, man. But you can recognize me under them at your mask. You know what walk by. Alright, let's get on the inside. So we're inside
Right.
of the Emancipation Park. I know we can walk through this without this. Beautiful. Oh no, it's too thick. Can't go through that water there. The mist blow. I'm gonna walk around it. Yeah. People them at rest. Alright, so let's see what's going on by Emancipation Park. So you see what the event is like. It's beautiful. You understand? Specific, so let me go by one end. We'll go by one at the end then. See if we can make our way up. I look like at the food spot.
Honestly, don't show how it's set up. So what it looks like, so if you're here and you are represented by shirt with a specific company sponsor, you would have on a shirt, you would go to that booth and you can get food, drinks or supplements there. You understand? So that's what we realize. So make a walk around through here and see what I want as the road through. So that me understand that's the what I want. You see me as let's go. Everybody can actually see what the event is like. So next year, yeah man, most definitely that is what is happening. Judging by the uniform, them you can know the block, which part you forgot. This one we are. So we're on the right road, that's spinning block.
Watch the Shakira.
Who is it? Come on! Keep it up there. Keep it up there. And while we're doing that, get ready for the corporate run female. Corporate run male. I feel like them and all you out. Try your catch it up, you out. Look here. Boom.
Jim man,
Blue
check it.
chain you win. How you get blue on there, I don't know. Come here. Congratulations, bring his basket, come. And those who did not win, just grab a case of Catherine Speak. That's your prize. Who did not win? Take a case of Catherine Speak. Come here. Oh, come closer, Auntie. No, Auntie, present it properly, mind up on TV. Right there, so stay there, so come present it. And the winners, those who did not win, come back for your case of Catherine Speak. Everybody is a winner at Sagicor Sigma 2026. And now, we're going for corporate run. Look at this. Top one base one chip start. We're looking for. We're looking for one and only. Make some noise. 19 minutes. 41 seconds. Top corporate male is Keaton. Macaron. Where's Keaton? Or Keaton. If it's a Keaton, don't want to be politically correct. Keaton once. We're looking for Keaton twice. Where's Keaton? Rasta, come back around. You can use the back and come to your case. Captain Speak. Where is Keaton once? Corporate winner. Keaton twice. Where's Keaton? Not tell me it's a Keaton now. Oh, I'm looking for Keaton. No Keaton going once. Corporate winner, that's enough. Oh, dress. We're going for the female. We're going for the female. And the corporate female. She's here. Where is one and only?
Massive, it's a vibe. Nah, like.
Dandy Williams! I know you're dropping our little clap, Dandy. We're not going to mind. And we're asking.
And this section going right down, you find all the boots from Gatorade, Red Bull, Excelsior, KFC, Burger King, National Education Trust. There's so much food here giving away food, drinks, you don't know, and energy drinks, you name it. So this is what the vibe here is like after the event. Oh yeah, the officer from watch it. Big up and respect every time, see? Blessings every time me teach you, man.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
Stay with me until we get to that day. How are you?
Where?
Big up all the Jamaica Walk by Massive them. So that's a vibe. So Massive, follow me on TikTok towards Jamaica Walk by TV on TikTok. See? Yeah man, we forward to the end of the video. Forward to the end of the episode. Just to show you the vibe, the energy here. You see me? I'm hoping that I'm not missing anything. Yeah. Crowd still thick.
And as we get that presentation going,
Darren, 8 o'clock, my time is first
I feel like I just start. I swear, I feel like you were just start. What I want to say? Comment and make sure someone comment, make sure someone like the video. You see me I say? Massive, me take that card. See what I got. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, me there in Emancipation Park. Which part that there? Right to the front? Alright, alright, me forward right at the front of Emancipation Park towards Pegasus. No, me almost, me finish, pretty much finish. pretty much finished. You're there NCD. Let me see NCD. So that's my sister, you know what I mean? We have to take it now and cut the video. Vibes so beautiful, so calm, you know, and coffee.
One is very, very different in terms of their teaching style. One is really different.
So we exit Emancipation Park.